Welcome back to Retro Phone Show, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at this very unusual JWD S300 Windows mobile phone. So what are we waiting for? Here we go! Welcome back to Retro Phone Show. And here I am again, bringing you another very rare Chinese mobile phone. I picked this up yesterday in the car boot sale. I was rummaging through a box of old phones. All the rest of them was all basic phones I got loads of. But in amongst all that, I found this little gem. It's a Windows Mobile. It's a Chinese phone. It's some sort of copy. But I think, I could be wrong, mind, but I think it's a copy of a Nokia. Have anybody ever seen a Nokia, a similar style to this, rounded off, which, slide in one? Because why I think that, the only reason why I think that, is because the Nokia battery will fit in here perfectly, and also it fits the Nokia charger. I charged it up on the Nokia charger. Just to prove it's a Nokia charger. Nokia. And it fits in it perfectly. It is the toddy pinhead one. That's the only reason why I'm thinking it's a copy of a Nokia, but I could be wrong. I could be wrong. Let me show you the back. Let's take this off. It's got a camera as well. You know, I've covered up the MEI numbers. It's dual SIM. Open to all networks. Obviously it won't work on 3G. It's a 2G phone. It's very nice, isn't it? It's cool. Now, like I said, if anybody knows of a Nokia ever released is similar to this one, because I think this is a copy of a Nokia. If anybody to know of a model similar to this, please let me know, because I can't find any I think on this at all. Right then, let's put the battery in and start having a look at the menus and all that stuff. Oh look, original Nokia battery will fit in there. Hang on, just push him in. Here we are. He fits in it perfectly. And like I said, the charger fits as well, a Nokia charger, which is quite strange. So that's why I'm thinking it could be a copy of a Nokia phone. Right then, let's power him on. Welcome. Yeah, if we open him up, we've got a noise. Yeah, right then. So have a look at the menus. There we are. Let's have a quick little navigation of this. Games. Obviously just all different stuff on here. It does work on calls and that, because I've tested it. The menu, just the basic Chinese phone setup. Ringtone settings. Let's just try the ringtones a minute. Which are by here. Right. Have a look at these then. I'll these ringtones a minute. That one's empty. There's 6 ringtones on there in total. And also you've got different alarms then for power on and off. And all different ones. Right, you've got smart TV, radio, video player. Do we need headphones with a radio? Storage not ready. Oh, right. Storage not ready for that. Extras. We've looked at them, haven't we? Right, camera. You know what? There's the camera. Pretty basic. Right, just do I'll do a startup and shutdown at the end. But look at it. It is weird. I've never seen one like that before. I've been collecting mobiles a while and I've never seen one like this. But like I said, I'm pretty sure it might be a copy of a Nokia because it takes a Nokia battery and a charger. So that's why that's the only reason why I'm thinking it might be a Nokia ripoff. Then so let me ring it now then. Let me ring it for you. There we are. Unlock, it'll tell you we've got a missed call, isn't it? Missed call. Right then, let's do a startup and shutdown then. Turn him off a minute. Oh, wrong one, wrong one. And here we are. That is the JWD S300. S300 Windows Mobile. So if anybody who don't know if a Nokia had ever released a phone similar to this, please let me know and tell me the model. Or it could be just a one-off random Chinese phone that design they made, like, I don't know. But yep, there you are. Right then, thank you very much for watching, and bye for now. Bye!